Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, is rapidly becoming an important manufacturing method for industry and consumers alike. Clear limitations with the build size, resolution and speed, however, have limited its use for mass production. Our new system is changing this paradigm.
Visitech has over 20 years of experience making state-of-the-art DOP-based light engines for the semiconductor and printed circuit board industries. We understand what is required of optics, mechanics, software and electronics when it comes to designing the most accurate, fast and reliable machines for 24/7 operation. Now, we transfer this experience into additive manufacturing.
We wanted a plug-and-play system that would be easy to integrate into an additive manufacturing machine. The subsystem concept needed to be scalable and include not only optics, mechanics and electronics design, but a software to control both the light engines and the motion system. Combining our scrolling light engines with our customers' application requirements is an interesting challenge. We solved this task with a great team effort from our own in-house R&D engineers.
Our scrolling technology allows you to multiply each light engine's build area. That's what makes it unique and brilliant. It delivers lower hardware costs while keeping high throughput and high resolution. Mass production at favorable cost is key, and this is what our system provides. Our scrolling light engines truly enable high detail, high throughput, mass production AM machines.
Our system is used for both mass production of components and high-resolution, life-saving biotech printers. Our vision is creating images together. That means together we can play a part in improving the future.